Guys, welcome back to my channel Simply Kani. In this video I'm going to be creating this really cute makeup look with a pop of bright colors. Before getting into the video, if you're new to my channel, then please do click on that subscribe button and also that notification bell icon. Now let's get into the video. I'm starting off by moisturizing my face with Johnson & Johnson baby cream. I sometimes do that. Then I'm going to go ahead with my brows. I'm using the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit, shaping and filling my brows. Moving on to the purple concealer palette, I'm taking a concealer and shaping out my brows and filling my lids using this concealer. I'm taking another shade of concealer that's really close to my skin shade and covering up my dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Then I'm moving on to the foundation. I'm using the L'Oreal True Match foundation. I'm applying this all over my face and my neck to match the shade. To set all of the makeup on my face, I'm using the compact. This is by ITEX Dazzler. I'm taking this compact and brushing it all over my face. Moving on to the main part of my makeup look, I'm using this beautiful cute little eyeshadow palette by My Glam Cosmetics in collaboration with PopXO. This is called Hot Mess. This is a eyeshadow quadrant which is really small and cute and pretty. It fits in your palm. Inside the palette, it has 4 shades. Like I mentioned, it's a quadrant and all the 4 shades are really bright and neon-y and beautiful. I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette to create an amazing eyeshadow look. So taking this pastel pink shade first, and I'm kind of brushing it all over my eyelids, creating a base for my eye makeup. Next, I'm going to be taking this electric orange shade and I'm going to be applying it all over my crease, creating a perfect crease line. Moving on to the bright neon pink shade that is in this eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be packing this shade on the outermost corner of my eyes, creating a V shape and bringing it almost to the inner half of my eyes. And the innermost corner, I'm going to be filling it with this bright yellow eyeshadow. I'm taking this in my finger because yellow is the toughest shade to show on my eyelids. And now my eyeshadow look is complete and I have used this cute little eyeshadow palette to create the most colorful and bright eyeshadow look. It is really pretty and handy and you can take it around with you even while you're traveling. I'm going to be finishing the eye makeup look with some eyeliner. I'm using the Colossal Bold eyeliner by Maybelline. Going to line it very close to my lash line, and I'm also bringing the eyeliner inwards to make it look a little more feline. And then for the mascara, I have taken the Maybelline Magnum Barbie mascara. This mascara is not in production anymore, I think, but you can use any one of the Maybelline mascaras. They are all great. I feel like there's still something missing. I'm going to go in with another face palette. This is again by My Glam in collaboration with PopXO. This palette is called Insta Glam and it has got 3 products in one single palette. The palette itself is really cute and pink. Again, all of their collection is really cute packaging. Inside, the product looks like this. There is one setting powder which is white in shade and it's universal. There are 2 shades of blushes. It's one pink and one is coral. And then finally there's a champagne shade of highlighter. Going to be using this palette, taking the 2 shades of blush and blending it together. I'm going to apply it on the outermost corner of my cheekbones, giving it a little bit of color and shape. I usually use blush for contouring my face. Next, I'm going to be taking this highlighter shade and applying it on my cheekbones and on my nose and my brow bones and on my cupid's bow. Finally, I'm taking a little bit of this setting powder on a fluffy brush and just pressing it all over my face, just brushing it to kind of set my makeup. and immediately you can see that my makeup looks a lot more chiseled and lot more elegant now that I have used this beautiful Instaglam palette. Having such handy palettes in your makeup kit is really important, especially when you're traveling. It's got everything you need to top up your makeup. Finally, I'm finishing the look with a little bit of lipstick by Faces Canada, and my look is now complete. This beautiful, cute and colorful makeup look is really easy to create, especially when you have these cute little palettes by My Glam Cosmetics in your makeup kit. If you really loved this makeup look and you want to try these products for yourself, the links are down in the description below. You can click on that link and buy these products or check out their range of products on their website. So if you like this makeup look, then do give this video a huge thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do hit on that subscribe button and also click on the notification bell icon. Until the next time I get back to you guys with another amazing video. Bye bye and take care.